Hi everybody, no need for a long intro. If you want to learn how to get fake bangs just like these, then keep watching. Okay, so to do fake bangs, well, I guess please ignore my hair. Okay, I don't know why I decided today would be a good day to do fake bangs when my hair looks like this and to do eyebrow stuff when I don't know how to do eyebrows, but here we are. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the front part of my hair and I'm just gonna like grab a chunk, okay? And I'm gonna get some bobby pins, okay? I'm gonna take a few of them out. Also, I haven't planned this, so I'm just guessing, okay? I'm going to even up my hair right here. This part is what's gonna be the bangs, okay? And so I'm going to take it, I'm gonna fold it back, okay? See where I want my bangs to level up at, see if I need to get any more. I'm gonna grab a lot more. Okay. Brush through it. I'm not gonna do that, but okay. So now, see right here? Now I'm gonna pin it back. I'm gonna level it, and then it's back here, and I'm gonna pin it here and here. So I'm gonna first pin it back, okay? And then I'm going to flip it over and grab some more bobby pins and just pin it. Now I have no idea how this is gonna look. I'm just guessing completely right now. I mean, it seems like it should work. It seems pretty simple. And then, okay, I'm gonna put this fake hat on because it's not a real hat. Watch the other video. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Some people shouldn't have bangs, huh? Let's try to shape my face more. Let's pull my back to the front and let's... I mean, I guess it worked, huh? I mean, I would straighten, I don't know, what the heck. Yeah? You like it? I'm gonna straighten this real quick and come back. So, I just got done straightening my bangs. Don't know if I should have done that, but I did, and now the video is over. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.